If you need to close your Boost Mobile account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you begin the account closure process, make sure you have your account number, PIN, and any other relevant personal information ready. This will help verify your identity. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Boost Mobile customer service at their official number. You can also reach out through their online chat support. Explain that you want to close your account and provide the necessary information. Step 3. Confirm your identity. Be prepared to answer security questions to confirm your identity. This may include providing your account details, personal information, or answering questions related to your account. Step 4. Request account closure. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Verify closure confirmation. After your request is processed, ensure you receive a confirmation of the account closure via email or text. Keep this confirmation for your records in case any issues arise in the future. In conclusion, closing your Boost Mobile account can be done quickly by following these steps. Make sure to keep all relevant information handy to streamline the process.